Hello children, happy morning. Hope you all are fine and happy. Today I am here to teach you some paper crafts. That's nothing but a beautiful butterfly and a cooling glass. Do you all like to learn it? Come, let's start. For making a butterfly, we need a square paper. First, take this edge and fold it to its opposite edge and crease the paper. Follow the same to its other edge. Crease the paper. See, you got a X marking line. Next, fold the paper from top to downwards. Same, do it again to the next side, from top to downwards. Now, hold the paper in the center and spread it, insert inside, fold it like this. Same, do it again, spread it, insert inside and fold it. See how it looks like? Now, take one part of this paper, fold it in its halfway and do it the same in the other side. Take one, fold it in the half. Now see how it looks like, and this bottom you have to fold it backwards. This bottom you have to fold it in the backwards like this. Hold it griply so that it can stick. Look how beautiful butterfly you have got. Do you all like this? Good. To the next cooling glass, we need an A4 sheet. You have to fold it in a cross way. See, like this. This should be equal in size. Check it this. It should be in equal in size, and this point should be in a correct line. See how it looks like? And from top to bottom fold it like this. This is the point. Till here you have to fold it like this, and again from top to bottom, and again. Now take a small bit of paper and fold it from bottom to top. Same small bit of paper from bottom to top. And this is the point you have to fold it inwards. Take this paper and fold it inwards. Same, do it this side. Fold it inwards. Hold it firmly so that it can stick. See, you got a beautiful coolers. Children, hope you all enjoy this session. Try this paper craft with the help of your mama and enjoy it. See you soon with another topic. Have a great day.